Yeah, I like this. Oh.
Anywhere.
Okay.
And it's a bitch to kind of find neutral.
Yeah, I kind of figure with, especially like as beefy as a transmission on this needs to be. Yep, it's small.
Yep. Turnkey push button though. No kicking involved.
Really? Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Yeah. Take it around the MX track.
Yeah, I like this. Well, that was fun. What'd you say? Well, I didn't break it, but I dropped it. It's that front brake is like super touchy.
Yeah, don't cram that.
I went into a berm, and I like just kind of like feathered it like I normally do on that. Yeah, just like.
That's what happened to me out there.
Yeah. I like did well. It's like crazy because it's like, not only did I get thrown off, well, like dump it. Like, it was almost like a stoppie going into a corner and then it landed. But don't worry, I cushioned the bike's fall.
But I think my best comparison is everything you want a DRZ to ever be.
Yeah, that's actually really smooth too. Yeah, that didn't feel too great though. But it's you need to ride it, Travis.
Don't be scared of it. It's a footy cat until you get into it.
Yeah, until you get into it.
Once you get into it, then it turns into a
Yeah. Yes.
I'm betting those flag handguards aren't long for this world.
I don't know, they seem all right.